Here it has been told that assume that the chances of a patient having a heart attack is 40%. It is also assumed that a meditation and yoga course reduces the risk of heart attack by 30% and the prescription of certain drug reduces its chances by 25%. At a time, a patient can choose any one of the two options with equal probabilities. It is given that after going through one of the two options, the patient selected at random suffers a heart attack. Find the probability that the patient followed a course of meditation and yoga. So let us define some events in this case. Let us define some events. Let's say the event E1 is defined as um, the patient selects, the patient chooses, the patient chooses the meditation and yoga course. The meditation and yoga course. And E2 be the event that the patient um, is prescribed a certain drug. The patient is prescribed a certain drug. And let A be the event that the patient suffers a heart attack. The patient suffers a heart attack. Therefore, here it is told that the probability, um, yeah. So therefore, the probability of the event A means the probability that the patient suffers a heart attack is 40%. So it is 0.4. 0.4. Okay. And P of E1 means the probability that the patient chooses the meditation and yoga course, that is 1 by 2, and also the probability of choosing the certain drug, that is P of E2, that is also 1 by 2. Since why here it is written that at a time the patient can choose any one of the two options with equal probabilities. Therefore, the choice has the two choices have equal probabilities. It has been told have equal probabilities. That has been told. So now, therefore, the probability that the heart attack is reduced by the yoga course is 30%. Therefore, I can say that the probability that the patient suffers a heart attack, or I can say the patient does not suffer heart attack, means a complement, means the patient does not suffer a heart attack, given that, no, yeah, 1 second. So here it is told the patient suffers a heart attack given that he chooses the meditation and yoga course. That would be obviously 70% of this 0.4. Since why? Since the heart attack is reduced, since the chance of heart attack, the chance of heart attack is reduced by 30%, by the yoga course. By the yoga course. So it means that even if he or she takes the yoga course, there is a probability of 70% for getting the heart attack. So therefore it would be 0.7 into 0.4, so that would be 0.28. And similarly, the probability that the patient receives a heart attack, given that um, given that he takes the certain drug, so that will be obviously 75% of this 0.4. Since why? The chance of the heart attack is reduced by 25% by the prescription of the certain drug. The chance of heart attack, since the chance of heart attack is reduced by 25% by the certain drug, by the certain drug. Therefore, this will be 0.75 times 0.4. So this would be 0.75 means I can write 3 by 4 times 0.4. So that will be 0.3. So now here it is asked that what is the probability that the patient followed the course of meditation and yoga given that he suffers a heart heart attack? Means we have to find P of E1 given A. So here we have to apply the Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem. So that will be P of E1 times P of A given E1 divided by P of means P of E1 times P of A given E1 plus P of E2 times P of A given E2. So that will be P of E1, that is 1 by 2, and P of A given E1, that will be P of A given E1 is 0.28 divided by, that will be half into 0.28 plus half into 0.3. So this half I can take it as common and that will cancel out. So this would be 0.28 by 0.58. So this would be 28 by 58. So if we cancel it, then we will get 2 14s and 2 2s are 4, 2 9s 18. So the answer will be 14 by 29. This is the final answer. Thank you.